Hi guys! Welcome back, Mananaps!
Hi, Mananap!
Hello, see. For today's boring video, we're gonna pick up BAGGLYS Baked Sushi.
Baked Sushi.
Baked Sushi. This is my partner, Loisy. Here's my boss, Boss D.
Hi, Boss Jags.
Okay, for today's, we're gonna pick up Baked Sushi by BAGGLYS. Like BAGGLYS Sushi?
I want to watch
By Baked Sushi? Huh? And now we are in the car. We're gonna pick up BAGGLYS Baked Sushi. We're gonna try another baked sushi and let's see and find
Why
out.
do you say it like I want two toys.
Huh?
I want two toys.
You want two toys? No, it's not a toy. It's a baked sushi.
No, I get two toys. Sushi,
Yeah.
not sushi.
Sushi, not sushi.
Toy. Sushi, not sushi. I want two toys.
Okay. And we're going there now. Yoo-hoo. Now we're here at BAGGLYS Bakery Shop.
You're not okay.
Yeah. For orders, go here and pick up. They do delivery for a price. Right, Lacey? Okay, we're here. For you gonna dial.
Ay, you're not drinking. I have to put up the hoodie.
Hello. Surrey Police Station. How can I help you? They let us in. They let us in. Come on, open it. What's that? Gated.
Dad, let go of the bar. Let go of the bar.
Wait, this is not our house. Pero,
Hi.
hello.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Yan naman, sige na. Yan naman, sige.
This is Apple and BAGGLYS. BAGGLYS Sushi. There's no Burikat here.
We're not Burikat. We're not Burikat. We are the Burikat.
Hi, pretty ladies.
So, are you excited with your sushi?
BAGGLYS Baked Sushi, Yummy Sushi.
Yeah.
Baked with love. Managhantaan ni ron.
There's instruction how to
Napa instruction? Wow. Thank you.
And everyone order, there is 2 seaweed free. But kay Ma'am She's man, so 3.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your yummy sushi.
Bye. And guys, now we're back at home. Loisy got a yayay. She got a bukol. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Are you okay, Lois? Oh my gosh. I got here our baked sushi. What happened to your bukol? Wow. Wow.
Can you give me one? Like this.
Sure.
I don't like mango sauce. Okay, got it? It's called mango sauce. If you put the mango on the sauce, then it's mango sauce.
What? Oh, siksik sa sarap. Yummy. Baked sushi. From BAGGLYS. Yummy sushi. Good. BAGGLYS Baked Sushi. So if you wanna order, there's 3 ladies you can order from. They call themselves Tres Marias in Pajamas. And they make TikToks too. The owner has a YouTube channel. It's called Fel. You can also subscribe to her and look at her videos. And here's the first lady. And the second lady. And the third lady. Tres Marias, you can contact to order BAGGLYS Baked Sushi.
Oh,
Yummy.
Like, can you give me a big one?
Lagi.
I don't want it.
Wow, that's so big. Someone's hungry.
Daddy, let's look this and fill the bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have bubbles, but outside.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for eating.
Bye.